Morena te whanau, morena tamaraki mai, how are you guys today? So today I thought we'll do a little whanau, mat time, whanau, little get together, just with a few words that our tamaraki know, and just read a few books. Awesome, okay. So for the beginning of our whanau, we play sit on the mat and clap. So as soon as our tamaraki hear that waita, then they come rushing over and they start joining in. So here we go. Sit on the mat and clap. Sit on the mat and clap. Sit on the mat and clap. Clap your hands. And clap. Sit on the mat and clap. Sit on the mat and clap. Clap your knees. Sit on the mat and clap. Sit on the mat and clap. Tap your shoulders. Sit on the mat and pat. Sit on the mat and pat. Pat your head. The mat and clap. Sit on the mat and clap. Sit on the mat and clap. Clap your hands. Ka pai. Alright, so another waita that we do in the mornings. So we do it at morning tea time before we have our kai. And our karakia, of course. We do morena tamaraki mai. Okay? Tamaraki mai, koriri koutou. You guys ready? You guys know this one really well. Okay? Toru wha. Morena tamaraki mai, tamaraki mai, tamaraki mai. Morena tamaraki mai, morena. Morena kayako, kayako, kayako. Morena kayako, morena. Morena te whanau, te whanau, te whanau. Morena te whanau, morena. Ka pai, paki paki mai. Awesome. Pai tō koutou waiata. Loving your fellas. Thank